Hi everyone, we have choosing the problem of algebraic from Olympiad Maths. Problem is question, find the value of x from expression 3 times of square root of x plus 2x is equals to 2. Now on solving this problem, given that 3 into square root of x plus 2x is equals to 2, we have to find the value of x. 3 times of square root of x plus 2x, this 2 move to left side, minus 2 is equals to 0. Now we call square root of x is equals to k. Let us consider the square root of x is equals to k. Now x is equals to k square. Putting this value here, 3 square root of x times of is equals to k plus 2 x is equals to k square minus 2 is equals to 0. Now this is quadratic equation. Factor out this equation. Write rearranging this equation, 2k square plus 3k minus 2 is equals to 0. Now factor this factorization method. This equation, 2k square plus 4k minus k minus 2 is equals to 0. 3k is equals to 4k minus k. Now let's take as a common here, 2k remains in this term, k, and here is also 2. Now let's take as a common here, minus, remains here k plus here is also 2 is equals to 0. Now let's take as a common k plus 2, add fully equation. Remains in this term 2k and here is also remains 1 is equals to 0. 1 times k plus 2 is equals to 0 and 2k minus 1 is equals to 0. K is equals to 2 move to right side, minus 2. 2k is equals to 1 move to right side, 2k is equals to 1, k is equals to this 2, bring to right side, shifting in this upon, be getting the, now this value is recalling k is equals to square root of x, square root of x is equals to 1 by 2 and square root of x is equals to minus 2. Now this value is negative. This is not answer that question. Now does not selecting this, reject this answer, reject, only choosing the positive value, squaring both the sides. Square root of x is equals to 1 by 2, squaring both the sides. This square and this square root will be removed. X is equals to, this power belong to 1 would be 1 and belong to 2 is 4. We getting the value of x is equals to 1 by 4. Now check this value is correct or not. Verify. The value of x, putting main equation is 3 times of square root of x plus of 2 times of x is equals to 2. Putting the value of x here, 3 times of square root of x, the value of x is 1 over 4 plus 2 times of 1 over 4 is equals to 2. 3 times of this, it can be written as square root of 1 over square root of 4 plus 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1 over 2 is equals to 2. 3 times of square root of 1 would be 1 and square root of 4 would be 2 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 2. Multiply by 3 into 1, 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 2. Let's take as LCM 2 and 3 plus 1 is equals to 2. 3 plus 1, 4 over 2 is equals, 3 plus 1, 4 over 2 is equals to 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 is equals to 2. Left and right side equal, then x is equals to 1/4 is the correct answer of that question. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.